In this video, I'm going to teach you how to do a front post double crochet stitch. At this point, I've already made a row of double crochet stitches. It doesn't matter if you have a row of single crochet, half double crochet, treble crochet, whatever stitch you have. You can't do front double crochet with just a chain. So that's why I made the first row already. Now I'm going to chain one. You can chain two or chain one and then turn. To do a front post double crochet, you yarn over, and now instead of inserting your hook into the stitch, we're going to insert the hook around the stitch. So this is the stitch we're going to work around. This is the next stitch. We yarn over, we insert the hook to the back, and we wrap around, bring it through the front. At this point, we yarn over again and pull that yarn through the back and the front that we just went through. We're going to yarn over again, and now it's like the traditional double crochet. We're going to pull through the first two loops and then wrap around or yarn over and pull through the second two loops. So again, we're going to do another front post double crochet. This stitch is our next stitch. We're going to yarn over, insert the hook, and wrap it around behind this stitch. Yarn over again, pull the yarn through, yarn over, pull off two loops, yarn over, pull off two loops. Same deal. This is our next stitch. So we yarn over, insert the hook in front and bring it back from the behind, yarn over, pull the yarn through, yarn over, pull off two loops, yarn over, pull off the last two. So that's three front post double crochet stitches that we've just made. You can continue on in that fashion. And there you go.